friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. We have a FabFitFun unboxing. It's their spring box. She's rollerblading on a rainbow. Let's go. Rollerblading, skateboarding, you get it. And once again, they are not putting their products in their magazine. I opened the box. They're not putting their products in their magazine anymore, like all the different choices. You have to go on the app for it. But the magazine is kind of cool with it. 10 ways to kickstart your happy, how to plan a weekend getaway, transform your tresses, best day ever. And it does talk about the different products in there. It just doesn't list them all like they used to. There's even like some recipes in there. So it is still a nice look through, you know, features the products in there. But for time purposes, we're gonna use the app. So my box, my spring 2022 box, view box and shipping details, real time. All right. Oh, okay. I took some of the things out of the box already, so I could be more organized. So you can do add-ons to your box. If you haven't tried FabFitFun before, down below, there's a description all about it. This is their spring box. They do spring, summer, fall, winter. You can pay for it annually or you can pay it per box if you want to. I'll leave a link down below, a referral link down below too if you want. I think you get $10 off your first box with them. So it's usually $49.99 and it would make it $39.99 if you want to try it. So my add-ons, I always get one of these like Spongely body buffers. It has the body wash already in it. I love them. That's in the Edelweiss scent. And as I was like getting ready, I was like, what does that smell? I could smell it through the box. Like it smells good. I get the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo. I get that every box as an add-on. And then this time I also got these packing pods, my Tagalongs packing pods. There's 3 of them in here. My husband and I are going on a trip this year to Jamaica. So I'm excited, and it's just like these little packing pods to kind of help you pack stuff. There's 3 different sizes. So like a really big one, a medium one, and a smaller one. So I thought that was kind of cool. You know, you can put your unmentionables in there, or like your products or whatever. Put your dirty stuff in there for the trip home. So those are my 3 add-ons I did this time. Let's get into the box. The first thing, and I did pick, when you're an annual member, you can pick all your items in the box if you want to. If you're a seasonal one, I think you can pick like maybe 4 of the 6 items in the box. They started doing, it used to be 8, and then they started doing like the 6th option is like 3 small products together kind of thing. So let's see. The first thing I have is this L Space Coastal Cooler worth $100 allegedly. But it is really big. I thought it was nice. Ta-da! It's a cooler. We don't have a lot of coolers. I did get a small yellow one, I think when I first started doing FabFitFun, but it really only fits like maybe a 6-pack or something. I thought this one was nice because you could fit like snacks in it and drinks and a bunch of ice. It's really cute. It's got a pocket there. Insulated. Let's see what it says about it. It doesn't get much cooler than this. This trendy cooler can make the most of any spring adventure, featuring an insulated lining to keep food and beverages at their desired temperature. So yeah, I like it. I thought it was nice. You know, it was nice. This box, I'm not gonna lie, it was kind of like a lot of product, like face products, like things like that. So I liked that option. All right, let's get back. I liked it better when it was in a magazine. I feel so weird like looking at my phone. But it's a big cooler. You can probably fit like 3 bottles of wine in there, or like 1 box of wine. And I just logged myself out of my app. Okay, I'm back in. And my box was worth $342 with the things I chose. The next is the Spotlight Oral Care Gleam Team Teeth Whitening Kit. I forgot I picked this. Worth $69, and that is in this little pouch here. Totally forgot all about it. That's fine. Dry the teeth, place the whitening. There's some whitening strips. There is a comforting gum oil. Okay, and the teeth whitening pen. So I've done, when I got married, It'll be 10 years this year. When I got married, I did like one of those teeth whitening pens, I think just like over the counter. And I thought it worked pretty good. The perfect teeth whitening kit to give your smile that glow. This 14-day kit is formulated with the clinically proven ingredient hydrogen peroxide to get teeth looking pearly white. Includes 28 teeth whitening strips, 1 teeth white pen, 1 comforting gum oil. Female founded. Very important. All right. So that's neat. The next one, I forgot. I picked these so long ago, probably like 6 weeks ago. They have you pick your products really early. And to be honest, I forgot the day that I was supposed to pick it. So some of the things I wanted to pick were not in stock anymore. But the next thing are these Kate Spade earrings. I have these in like a multicolor. So I thought these ones were really, really pretty. It's like kind of a white pearlescent-y glitter in there. I like Kate Spade. Let me see what they say about those. Worth $32. Stunning small square studs with gold-plated prongs and backing. These sparkling studs feature an opalescent sparkle and shine. 38.38 by 0.38. Faceted resin, gold-plated metal, titanium posts. Female founded. Kate Spade. All right. I think I'm going to put those in. Hang on. Okay, put them in. Look how cute. I think they're just really nice studs. And you don't want to get my sideburn out of the way there. You don't want to wear hoops or anything. I think they're cute. Next is the Josie Marin Whipped Argan Oil Body Butter Sweet Citrus. I love citrus smells and scents and tastes and hearing. No. So let's see. Let's open her up. See how it smells. I love body butters. And like, I used to get one from Bath and Body Works. That was just like a coconut one. Oh my God, I can't open it. I can't open it. Hang on. Real time. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that. Look at it. Look at it. It looks so good. Oh my God. It smells like, it feels so nice. I'm putting it on. It smells like an orange creamsicle is what it smells like. Oh yeah. Okay, that's like a Flintstones push pop right there. You feel me? You know. You know what a Flintstones push pop is. Do you know? Do you? Anyway, worth $38. Whip your skin routine into shape with this body butter and a sweet citrus scent. This famous formula is fortified with white tea extract to help protect from environmental damage. Treat your skin to the benefits of 100% pure argan oil, shea butter, and avocado oil. 8 ounces, vegan, organic, cruelty-free, gluten-free, female founded. Yeah. Yeah. They're doing good. A lot of these are female founded. Next is the Earth Harbor Glow Juice Refining Enzyme Mask worth $40. And that is this little guy here. Female founded. Good for redness and acne prone skin, size 2 ounces. Vegan, cruelty-free, color may vary due to the nature of 100% plant-based ingredients. On the app it's more purple, but this is more blue. Fine. A powerful, fast-acting AHA/BHA gel mask that naturally resurfaces, cools, and firms skin with red seaweed, I don't know why my finger's up, red seaweed, fruit enzymes, white willow bark, and aloe leaf juice to reveal greater clarity, improve skin texture and tone, and a more youthful glow. Yes, that was one whole sentence. So I'm excited for that. I love like face masks and doing things like that. Sorry, my hair is bugging me today. When isn't it? It's fine. Next is okay, so this was the last item, and it's 3 different items. So it is the Ico Winky Lux Daily Concepts Bundle worth $63. So the first one is the Ico Double Act Shadow Stick. One side is called Cookies, one side is called Cream. I thought they were kind of pretty colors, if it'll focus in. And it came with a sharpener too, so that's really nice because I don't really buy a lot of like pencils. I like the retractable ones. And the Winky Lux in the Stars Lip Oil. I have been using Aquaphor lately on my lips. I got a tattoo a week ago now. I don't know when this is going up, but it's from Mary Poppins. It says feed the birds. So I bought Aquaphor for that. And I watched this other YouTuber, her name's Jessica Braun, Jessicabaraun. And she does like makeup reviews and just kind of all kinds of stuff. And she just does Aquaphor on her lips, and I started doing it too. It's amazing. But I will try this lip oil. It's very cute. Winky Lux. It has little gold stars in there for some reason. It's really cute. See if we can get her open. There's like chunky stars in it. It smells like vanilla frosting. So yeah, I'll be using that. Oh my god, it smells just like vanilla frosting. Okay. And then the last thing is this Daily Facial Dry Brush. Directions for best results incorporated into your AM routine. Always use Daily Facial Dry Brush only on dry, freshly cleansed skin. So it's just supposed to kind of like slough off your dead skin, basically. I will not be touching it on my face because I have makeup on, but I am excited. Oh, see, do you hear that? Is that ASMR? It feels really nice. It's not too stiff. Like you can kind of see the movement there. So I'm excited to try that. I've never done like a dry brush before on my skin. Yeah, the eyeshadow, add depth and dimension to your eyes with this dual-ended double-X shadow stick. Take yourself from day to night with a single swipe of color. Smoke out and blend with fingertips for extra drama, or shade and define for a more natural look. Winky Lux in the Stars Lip Oil, supercharged with potent peptides, this glossy oil keeps lips hydrated and nourished with avocado, sunflower, olive, and jojoba oils. Featuring tiny stars for a little something extra, this oil gives lips a dose of antioxidant goodness. Last but not least, the Daily Facial Dry Brush is a gentle dry brush with softer bristles than a body dry brush for your face that increases circulation and reduces puffiness while exfoliating your skin. Sweep away dead skin cells for a healthy looking face. Can't wait. Vegan, nylon bristles. And that's it. You guys, that's my box. That's my FabFitFun box this spring. A lot of like facial products and things like I said, but I think that's nice after winter. Your skin's so dry. You need that extra little bit of help. I think it's fine. And I'm excited for that cooler, and I'm excited for my packing pods for our trip. And I'm always excited for dry shampoo because I just can't wash my hair every day. So, thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to try FabFitFun, like I said, I'll leave a link down below, as well as all my other links for all the other boxes I do. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.